Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva busy books. First, decide on a fun theme and the age range for your book. Next, open Canva and set up your document with the right page size, like 5 by 11 inches, and orientation. Finally, start collecting all the images, shapes, and fonts you'll need to bring your busy book to life. This initial planning saves time later. Now, let's dive into designing your pages. Focus on creating vibrant backgrounds and interactive elements that kids will love. Canva's drag-and-drop functionality makes placing objects super simple. Remember to keep everything child-friendly and visually stimulating. Think about activities like matching games or shape sorting to make each page exciting and educational for little hands.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: making busy books can be a lot of work, so make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Next, it's time to add the core activities to your busy book. Think about incorporating fun learning elements such as matching, counting, or puzzle pieces. Make sure to include clear, simple text for instructions or labels, using Canva's versatile text tools. Experiment with different fonts and sizes to make the text easy to read and visually engaging for young learners. Once your busy book is complete, export all the pages as high-quality PDFs from Canva. This ensures crisp, clear prints. Then, print your pages on sturdy paper or cardstock for durability. Finally, laminate each page and bind them together, perhaps with rings or a spiral binder, to create a robust and long-lasting busy book that can withstand lots of play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.